Hi everyone, this is Tom Humphrey from the National Weather Service in Billings, Montana. This is an updated briefing for the upcoming winter storm which will impact the region today, January 10th through Saturday, January 12th. A trough of low pressure was approaching the region from the west, and this will pull in very cold air from Canada. After a mild start to the day, temperatures will begin to fall Thursday afternoon, ending up well below normal by Friday. High temperatures on Friday and Saturday are expected to be in the single digits and teens. The trough will also usher in Pacific moisture that will combine with the cold air to create a prolonged snow event for southern Montana and northern Wyoming. Snow will begin in the west from Livingston to Harleton Thursday afternoon and slide east across the state through Saturday. The slow-moving nature of this system will allow for significant snowfall accumulations. Strong winds will develop over eastern Montana Friday and continue into Saturday. These strong winds will cause blowing and drifting snow, along with producing dangerous wind chills across eastern Montana. Here are the expected snowfall amounts across the forecast area. Snow is expected to begin Thursday afternoon across the west and spread east tonight and Saturday. Snow will persist through the day on Friday for much of the area, but taper off across the west Friday evening. Snow will persist Saturday in eastern Montana, along with winds of 20 to 30 miles an hour, creating blowing snow and bitterly cold wind chills of 20 to 30 below zero. This system will produce significant snowfall accumulations across the entire area. Locations from Billings westward will receive 6 to 10 inches of new snow, with 10 to 15 inches of snowfall expected in the upslope areas along the foothills to Red Lodge. 1 to 2 feet of fresh snow is expected on northeast-facing slopes of the Beartooth-Absaroka Mountains. Lesser but still significant amounts of 5 to 8 inches can be expected across eastern Montana. To summarize the impacts from this winter storm, we are expecting widespread moderate to heavy snowfall across the area. Snow will begin across western areas from the mountains to Livingston to Harleton Thursday afternoon and spread east towards Billings by Thursday evening. Snow will continue to spread east overnight into Friday morning across eastern Montana. Roads may become slick and icy as the snow begins. Once the snow gets going, significant accumulations are expected. Snow-packed and snow-covered roads are anticipated across the area, making travel extremely difficult, along with reduced visibilities in snow and blowing snow. Temperatures will run much below normal into the weekend, with readings only in the single digits and teens Friday and Saturday. Wind chills across south central Montana will be below zero on Friday, with wind chills of 20 to 30 below zero for eastern Montana and northern Wyoming Friday into Saturday. Blowing snow will be another concern for eastern Montana on Friday and Saturday as winds pick up. Looking ahead, as the cold air begins to retreat on Sunday and Monday, gusty winds may develop across western locations from Livingston to Big Timber, making for a blowing snow concern there for early in the week. That's all for this web briefing. If you have any questions, please contact the National Weather Service in Billings or visit our website for the latest forecast. This is the last planned briefing for this event. Thank you for joining us.